Yo, what's up fellow collectors, YouTubers, Hot Toys fans, and eBay fans? Toys for Real is back with another unboxing. Yo guys, I'm so excited that these figures are arrived finally at my home. I ordered them a couple of weeks ago. These are two figures, two Hot Toys figures, and I've ordered them together, and that's why I got a good deal from the seller. And let's see what it is. Guys, you know I'm a die-hard fan of someone. And these are the figures, guys. I think most of you guys know who these are, who the figures are. So let's see what it is. I've seen the seller. It's funny. He boxed them in I think in fried noodle soup box. They're called Indomie. Funny. So let's see. Ordered them from Hong Kong. So let's see. Oh yes, guys. I see they're fresh. Let's see. Okay, one are still in the brown box. And let's see who it is. Oh yeah. See it? See it? The Bruce Lee in suit. The suit version. And here it is. Oh man. Let me see. And yes guys, it's the casual version. Woo! Look at this, look at this. Okay, let me open this one as well. Oh man, I'm so excited. I finally can put them together with my other Bruce Lee figures. Let me see. Oh man. Oh man, I like the boxes. I like the boxes. But look at it. Oh man, I like the logo here, the Hot Toys logo, the M icon logo, and a nice picture of Bruce, man. And here you can see Bruce Lee in casual, Bruce Lee in suit, 1/6 scale collectible. Oh man, I like the box. I like the box. See, black and blue. Man, thanks ChinaBot. I ordered this from ChinaBot. Very good deal, man. Yeah, I'm glad. Let me see. I want to see the inside of the box. It's a slipcover. It's like a shoe box kind of thing, I think. Or yeah. Oh man, nice. Look at it. Wait a minute. Just put it down. Oh man. It's incredible, guys. Look at it. Look at it, man. So nice, nice, nice. And here is the sitting chair and his stand. Put him straight in his box. Okay, let me see. The head sculpt is really, it's freaking amazing, man. It's freaking amazing. Okay, let me see the next. Also the same. And here is the suit version. Look at it. Oh man. So here you have it, guys. Bruce Lee in suit and in casual style. crazy. Okay, guys, soon I will give you a full review of these bad guys, these two guys, together in one review, I think. The casual and the suit version. So, whoa, he's gonna fall. So follow me, man, on my channel, Toys for Real, and I finally can put them back. If I put them together with my other collectibles, like the Interbay figures. Yeah, that's my. Now I'll give you a short tour of my collection. And here, my other collection. So you can see here is my Interbay Game of Death version without the body. I sent it back to Interbay, guys that followed me on the channel and saw my review of the Interbay figure, Game of Death. Yeah, I can get a new body, but I had to send the old body back, the broken body. So I'm waiting for my new body. Okay, guys, this was Toys for Real. Thanks for watching, and check my other videos soon. Peace.